Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
कासावले कुवेले रस्तो रुंदीकरण आणि वाळाचे काम सुरू 41 लाख रुपया खर्च.
We have started today with the widening and hot mixing of Riampaz Road. Actually, that road was asphalted during the last tenure. And now the same road is going to be widened wherever possible, and it's going to be hot mixed. The second small work that we have taken up is the repair of this culvert. Okay, now this culvert, as you can see, is in a dilapidated condition, and it will be repaired so that the water of the village that comes down, especially during the monsoons, will flow smoothly without causing any problems to the houses around. The total cost for these two works is 36 lakhs plus 4 lakhs. So it comes to almost 40 lakhs for these two works.
मुरगांव पालिकेन कायदेशीर आणि बेकायदेशीर दुकानांचो नियाळ घेवंक सुरू केला. बेकायदेशीर आसा तांचेर एक्शन. येणावळी खातीर उपाय.
There is a huge recovery of areas of whatever this trade tax and all the other things. People are conducting business without any trade or without any, even they have sublet and given on rent to some other person, third party running the show without having any license from the municipality. This cannot be tolerated. This whatever revenue leakage has to be put to some. There should be. We have to find out some ways to. So I have initiated a drive to do all the survey of entire Murungaon, so that we will know how many people are running the business legally, how many businesses are illegally doing, and how many extensions are there. So that if they can regularize their whatever doing, then we will impose some fine and we'll grant the permission.
बायणा गोमतेश्वर देवळा लागच्या रस्त्याचे 12 वर्सां उपरांत काम. ह्या कामाक 1,20,00,000 रुपया खर्च.
बायणा मंगोरी about 1 crore 10 lakhs. आयज म्हाका बरें दिसता की सगळे आमचे म्युनिसिपल एक्स कावन्सिलर फुडले कावन्सिलर जावपाचे ते सगळे आयज हिंगा आहाय आनी हे आमचें काम बरें जाल्यार पुरो म्हाका तर. आनी म्हाका सांगपा लोकांक मातशें स्लो चलय बायक स्पेशली बायक्स कित्याक एक्चुअली निवड आमच्या हॉट मिक्स केले तर रोड चड एक्सिडेंट जावपाक जाले मागीर.
आयज तुमी पळयता हो जो रस्तो सासमळ्यांचो जवळ जवळ 12 वर्सां जाल्ले हाका कोणूच पळोवंक नासलेले आनी हे आयज आमदारान पळयलेले आसा.
म्हापशा श्री बोडगेश्वराची जात्रा 27 जानेराक, वर्सुकी दीस 26 जानेराक. 75 दुकानांक परमिशन.
अरेंजमेंट तांकां परमिशन दिल्लेलें आहा 75 शॉपां खातीर. सो वी हॅव हॅड अ मीटिंग विथ ऑल द स्टेक होल्डर्स. देर वूड बी अ राउंड द क्लॉक टीम ऑफ पुलीस, फायर एज वेल एज म्युनिसिपालिटी इन्स्पेक्टर्स.
म्हापशेकार पयले देन पारंपारीक आहा तांकां दितले. दुसरी गजाल ती शॉपां प्रत्येक गॅप दवरून 6 मिटर गॅप दवरून शॉपां दितले आनी 75 शॉपांक आमकां परमिशन दिला.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.